Can we have a minute of appreciation for this bag? Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing my first ever SHEIN haul. I got so many things at SHEIN for my summer trips and my summer activities and my day-to-day. I want to show you all the dresses, outfits, combinations, shoes, bags, accessories. There's so many things I've bought and I can't wait to show you all. So let's start with dresses first. So I'm gonna start off with this white dress. Actually, for a white party I'm going to in Italy, and that was my vision, to buy this dress. It kind of looks like this. I don't know if you guys see it. It's like short, falls down. You can tie it around my neck. It's really beautiful. It's really like, and I think it's gonna look amazing. It doesn't look like it's gonna wrinkle or anything. I like this a lot. I can't wait to try it. So next I have another dress. Gorgeous one. Wow, this is so pretty. Flower on the shoulder. See, I'll try it later, but I think this is also gonna look really, really pretty. This just needs to be ironed, but it looks like a stunning, stunning dress. It's another gorgeous, look at this pink color. I mean, come on. This is a gorgeous, look at this, very nice pink dress. I think this goes in front. Yeah, the beautiful part about this dress is there is, look at this, like little beautiful veil you can put around your neck. You can do so many cool combinations with this one. Okay, so that's one. This is a pink colored dress. Oh my god, this one is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna be wearing this one. I think I can beauty. Look at this gorgeous dress. This is stunning, guys. I think this one's gonna be like probably my favorite. Okay, there's another dress. You see it? This one is a shorter one. Wow, this is so classy. Okay, makes sense. Okay, I have to try this one, but I think you guys see the colors, that it looks gorgeous. Try it on later and we'll see how it looks. Okay, there's another one. Oh my god, this one is so cute. So freaking cute, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, it's similar to the white dress that I was showing you. But look at this. Look at this thingy. Look at this, like flowers floating. Love this. Obsessed. Show you some scarves. It was beautiful. And I think I can wear this with a lot of different pieces, a lot of different combinations. I can wear it if I want to be classy and just put it on my dress or on my shirt, something like that. Or I can do just kind music, like type of party, and then just put some sunglasses on and vibe it out. More scarf here. Yeah, there is another scarf. So pretty. This one's even prettier. Guys, I really nailed colors this time. I did so well. Yeah. Everything I'm sharing in this video you can find below in the description box, and you can check out my shop, my store, and find all the links for all the products. Everything was so affordable, guys. Like all these dresses were like $20-30. These scarves were also like super cheap, but look at this beauty. Look how beautiful this is. Like, wow, so royalish. Moving to the swimsuits. So this is the first one, and you're gonna wear it like this. It's so beautiful. And then this is the bottom. The bottom goes okay, it's like that. Yeah, I like it. It's really classy too. It's nice. Okay, so next one. This is a simple black top, bikini top. Yeah, I like it. It has like this little gold accessory in the middle. I think this is gonna look so nice. And then the bottom also has these accessories, and it's a little sexier than the first one. Love it. Okay, then I got this brown one. I think this looks like something that I will wear a lot. And if you ask me why, I just don't know, because I had one similar Dior swimsuit that I wore so much, and it was similar style and similar patterns, and it's just a classic design. And I like this brownish color, so I think I'm gonna wear this a lot. Oh, and the bottoms, they look a little big. Let me cut them a little shorter so you can see it. Okay, these are the bottoms. They also have like the straps on the side. Looks amazing. So many swimsuits. Gosh. Okay. The next one is, oh yeah, I show you the bottom first. How pretty are these colors? Love, love. Okay, this one is just like that, and then it has a bottom. It's gonna look really good. That's the one. Okay, oh, and then I have another one that also could be my favorite. So there's a couple that have potential to become my favorites. This one, definitely, because I just love tiger leopard print so much. I don't know, from season to season, sometimes it's tacky, sometimes it's too much. They call it in my country, they say kitsch. But sometimes it's chic, complete opposite. So I guess it really depends from season to season. But I just go like how I feel it. Like if I feel like wearing it, I'm gonna wear it. If not, then I just won't. But yeah, this looks amazing. And it has like these little pearls like here. Look, there's a little pearl and gold designs. I love it. I look like an animal. Just kidding. And the bottom too looks really, really good. Yeah. Guys, all these swimsuits were like less than $10. Like, it's crazy. And I just have one more, which is the yellow one. I'm not sure how much I love this one and how much will I wear it. It looks quite interesting because I think you can wear it on one side or two sides. It also has this gold accessory in the middle, and the bottom is fine too. It's simple on one side but has a gold thingy on the right, so it's okay, I guess. That's for swimsuits. Okay, let's move to accessories. Oh, but before I move to accessory, I have this set I didn't show you guys. These are the bottoms. It's a skirt, and then for top there's a matching top. Look at this. There's a matching top. I love this. Obsessed. This was also so cheap. Like, I can't believe the prices the SHEIN has. It's crazy. This is also, I think I will be wearing this a lot. Look at this. Look at this top. Look at this goodness. And I got a bottom to match with. I think I got shorts. Yeah, I got shorts. These look a little bit big. But I mean, I'm gonna make it a set out of these two. I think it's gonna look really well. It's gonna look a little bigger, but it's what I wanted. And I got some slippers. Yeah, they look really nice. Like, they're gonna match with everything I bought, so they look really good. Put them here. Okay. Then accessories. So the bag. Wow. Look at this one. Look at this. Wow. So cute. Perfect for a night out, for dinner, for parties. I mean, whatever kind of occasion you have in the summer, I think this is gonna go with everything. So love it. And I've got another bag here. You guys, this is probably my favorite purchase of this haul. Do you hear it? Can we have a minute of appreciation for this bag? Do you believe this is SHEIN? Look at this. Oh, it looks like a designer bag. Like, I haven't seen a bag this pretty. It's been a while. Like I want to keep it in this box because I feel like it deserves a box. I got some sunglasses. Quite frankly, I'm not sure if this is SHEIN, but they were a couple dollars. I will check where the glasses are from and I will link it, or you can just check my shops and just find it. But I mean, they look good. Very casual, like day-to-day glasses. Nice. I think there's another set of glasses in here. Oh yeah, I love these. Like, I cannot wait to wear these. Like, look at this. They even have like a sign that look like designer, but I feel like these are so cool right now. They're so trendy, so I'm sure I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. Love these. The glasses were also a couple dollars each. Okay, now the accessories. First, earrings. This is kind of annoying because I have to open each box, so bear with me, please. They're so pretty. These are really pretty. Can you imagine me wearing them? I love it. I like having my messy hair from time to time, and I feel like this will really like look nice when I catch my hair or in some kind of messy bun. This will just make it look really nice. More earrings. Oh no, This is a necklace. How pretty is this? Like, I want to wear it now. Can I wear it now? So pretty. Also gorgeous. Like, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love, love, love. All these rings. There's a lot of them inside. I think there's about 20 rings. A set of the rings. Look how many are there. I'm just gonna show you as an example, like how you can stack them up. There's so many different kinds here, and you can just buy this package of like what, 20-ish rings and just mix and match all summer. Like, look at this. This is just quick stack just to show you guys, but you know, I would, of course I'm gonna do a little better job coordinating it, but I am just, look at this, obsessed. Obsessed, really. This was a really good purchase, buying all these rings, because for sure I know that I will be using them all summer. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous. This is so pretty with a classy bun or nice hair up. This would look really nice. That was all for SHEIN. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which one was your favorite piece. Let me know if you think I should return something. And I hope I've managed to try most of the pieces and I insert them on the side so you guys can see it, how it looks like. If not, I'm so sorry. I hope I have managed to insert at least a photo of it for you to see. And now, of course, everything is linked below. If you have any questions or you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. And yeah, have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.